services for Dallas County in north central Texas.
What kind of light strobes are?
Texas until 12:45 p.m. Central Standard Time.
First SVR on my fire alarm system. I got active supervisory.
5 miles off from Dallas, moving west at 40 miles per hour.
Site active supervisory.
Gust and border hail. Source radar indicated. Impact. Expect considerable damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect damage to roofs, people, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include the Colony, Irving, Ranch-Mary, DeSoto, Lancaster, Hopkins, Mesquite, Cedar Hill, Duncandle, Arlington, Wilmer, and Dallas. For your protection, get inside of a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. If outdoors in a mobile home, move into some substantial shelter.
Okay.